Now we are unboxing Redmi Xiaomi Mi phone A1 Plus. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, 10 watt charging supporting adapter available. Entry level phone from Mi. .5 inches display, HD plus display, micro USB charger, audio jack, speaker on the top end, power control, fingerprint sensor on the rear near the camera. Helios A22 processor, 5MP rear camera, 8MP dual rear camera, front 5MP selfie camera, blue color. It supports up to 512 GB of expandable storage, splash resistant, overall a good for under 8,000 to 9,000 range.